Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on the JRS Cars YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can save anywhere between 2,000, 20,000 or even more in expensive part replacements. All it's going to take is 500 rupees and 5 minutes of your time to get this done. So I recommend you watch this video fully and let's get started straight away. When you talk about service and maintenance, the things that come to mind are your engine oil, tires and brake pads. The simple thing we all forget is this over here. When you open the door, you are greeted by this door rubber over here. Now this door rubber over here and here serves two very important purposes. One, they help in the sound insulation inside the cabin, and number two, they prevent dust, water and debris getting inside the cabin. When your car is new, this will require no maintenance. However, as your car becomes older and older, this rubber over here, due to the climatic conditions, can become brittle, and when this cracks and breaks, dust and water will be getting inside your cabin. How do I know this? Well, this is exactly what happened on my Ford Icon. Luckily in that car, it was a cheap fix. It cost around 2,500 rupees for all 4 doors. However, on big cars like this Laura over here, the City, and even other most modern cars, a single door beading for a single door can cost upwards of 3,000 rupees. So you get it, for the entire car, you're looking at upwards of 15,000 rupees just in this rubber door beading over here. So how do you prevent this happening? All you got to do is spend 500 rupees and 5 minutes of your time and you can get your door beading looking absolutely fresh and getting the rubber as good as new. Let me show you how by shifting to point of view now. Alright guys, so the magic we're talking about over here is this can of Worth plastic and rubber care. All you need is this bottle of plastic rubber care and these 2 rags over here. The first step is very simple. First, we take this white rag over here, dip it in a bit of water, and then just rub it over the door beading like this. Now what will this do? This will prevent any dust or debris from sticking to this rubber thing and give a good surface for this rubber care thing to mate to it. So once that's done, we take our new fresh microfiber cloth. Now in this case, I don't know why I'm using a microfiber cloth. Take this can of Worth rubber care spray, spray it onto the cloth and just rub it into the rubber like this. That's it. You can also directly spray it onto the rubber, but ensure that it doesn't enter the cabin. Do note that this spray is safe to use on plastics as well. You can use it on all exterior plastics as well as interior plastics to restore and revive them as well as keep them protected. Also, while spraying the window rubber, it's okay if a little bit sprays on the paint. Just make sure you wipe it off immediately before it dries. This will not cause issues immediately, but if you leave it like that and park the vehicle in the hot sun, then the paint can start getting damaged. And so guys, that's how you do it. So with this tip and 500 rupees of this can, you can definitely save a lot of money in expensive repairs and maintenance. So guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, give the video a thumbs up and take a second to subscribe. I'll see you next video really soon. Take care, bye bye, stay safe.